Münster is a quite vivid place in the western part of Germany. It's not just that we have lots of churches and students, most of all we are having the highest amount of bicycles in Germany. There are more bikes than cars in Münster. So we thought about combining the spirit of our city with the idea of a brilliant new HTC smartphone. So imagine, you are a student at Münster University. You are bored by all the stuff your professor is explaining during economics. You have three choices: sleeping, listening, or playing games on your HTC. And of course, you will play games. Out of the blue, your smartphone reminds you to charge the battery. Damn it! You have no chance to charge your HTC in university, so we would love to invent a connection between the smartphone and the bicycle. Now you can drive to your next appointment and you're charging your phone at once just by driving by bike. In addition to that, your HTC will light you your way when it's dark. At night, your smartphone will work as a dynamo, so you won't have trouble with the police again.